Oh man, welcome back to Nellis Air Force Base. Got Air Force Base, not Gase. Just went through the gate. Gotta get in here, check on a few things, and then we're gonna talk a little bit about something I think you guys are gonna enjoy. I think it's something that we're gonna be able to do that's different, and I think it definitely revolves around flying. And for those of you that have been around a while, you guys know I'm a pilot. But yeah, catch you after the intro. So, what is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about an idea that I have. Now, there's a channel on YouTube that blew up here recently called Rebuild Rescue. They got basically a free aircraft if they were able to get it running after it had sat for a long time. And I've been offered a similar type of deal. Now, for those of you that don't know, I am a pilot. I do own a Cessna 172 with a G1000. All right. So I'm competent. I'm a competent pilot. All right. I'm not going to be flying F-16s or F-18s anytime soon, but I could fly a plane. Somebody hit me up and was like, hey, have you seen this Rebuild Rescue thing? I was like, yeah, it's a pretty cool series. They were like, well, so here's the thing. They were like, I have a old 172 from the 70s, and it sat for like 19 years, and they were like, if you're able to get this thing running, I would not be opposed to just giving it to you. And I'm like, that's pretty cool. Things I love seeing on post is when I see captured equipment and they display it all around post here. Or I know if my Air Force guys are going, it's a base, TK, it's not a post. Yeah, no. But that's awesome. I love seeing the old Soviet and other captured equipment on post. It's awesome. I always love it. Always love it. Back on track. So people, I go back and forth with this person. I was like, are you really sure, man? Because, look, a non-running Cessna 172 with all kinds of problems like this one probably is going to have, might be worth like 15 grand, maybe 15,000, maybe 20. Not worth a lot of money. All right. But that's why I said, you know what? I'll put the question to you guys and see what you guys think. If you guys want to see me try to get this old 172 running, let me know in the comment section. And if I get enough thumbs up on this video, if we get enough engagement in the comment section and something that you guys want to see, damn, that sun is bright, then I'll do it. I mean, it's a free plane, right? I mean, now, when I say it's a free plane for me to take possession of. Is it a free plane, so to speak, to say it's a free plane, I'm going to have to fix a bunch of shit, and that plane's probably going to cost me more than it's worth? Yeah, but I've been debating on whether or not I wanted to bring the 172 out here from the East Coast, and I think it would be kind of cool to have a 172 here in Las Vegas, and then have the 172 out on the East Coast. And then when people come out here to visit and stuff, I can do a couple of I'm not a CFI. I'm not gonna be teaching people how to fly planes. I don't have the hours anymore. It's not gonna be a thing, right? But I thought it might be something cool to consider, something to do. And it would be something out here that I could tinker with here or there, get some videos, and if the content does good, maybe it ends up paying for itself. We'll see. Aircraft rebuilds have been doing fairly well on YouTube, so I figured I'd give it a shot and try it out. But anyways, I have to go into my office here on post, and this is why I wanted to talk to you guys about this today while we were coming through, and just to see what you guys thought. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. If you'd like to see an aircraft, not even to say just rebuild, just us take possession of a free airplane, let me know down there in the comments below. And if you happen to have a bunch of old 172 parts and you'd like to send them my way so I can make this rebuild actually a thing and get this thing going, also let me know in the comments below, and we can get you the email and all that good stuff. Anyways, till next time, thank you guys very much for watching. I truly appreciate it, and see you guys on the next one.